Hi, and welcome to the Added Authorization in Reading and Literacy. I am Dr. Morgan Friedman, and I am the director of this program. I'm really excited that you're here to learn more about the program. It's a really exciting program that we offer at LMU. It has 5 courses that you take over the span of 1 calendar year. And in order to enroll and receive this added authorization in reading and literacy, you do need to have been a head teacher for 3 years. But with those years of teaching behind you, plus the added authorization, you will be the expert in reading at your school. You'll also be able to apply for reading specialist positions. You'll be able to work with students one-on-one to improve their reading skills and be that go-to person for all things reading. We know how vital reading is for a student's success in K through 12 and beyond, which is only what makes this program more important. Thank you so much.